Well, so you're trying to capture the screen with OBS Studio, whether it's your Windows screen or your gameplays, and the result is this, a black screen. How to solve this problem? Well, the first thing you should do is always keep OBS Studio up to date. In my case, ironically this problem started to occur after I updated OBS to the latest version. I had an older version installed, and as soon as I updated to the latest version, the problem started to occur randomly. So, sometimes updating it can fix the problem, which could be a software bug, but let's assume it's not an update-related problem. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to right-click on your Windows desktop, Display Settings, Graphics Settings. Here you will select Desktop App instead of Microsoft Store. Then you will click on Browse and will look for the OBS Studio executable file. I'm already in its folder. If you don't know where it is located, it's in the local disk C, Program Files, OBS Studio, bin folder, 64 bits, and here you just have to select its executable, called obs64.exe, and click Add. After that, tap on Options. And here, if you have more than one video card on your computer, for example an onboard video card, which it's already on the motherboard, and an offboard, it may be that the OBS is generating conflict between them, therefore not properly rendering video on the screen. In my case, I only have one option, an onboard video card, so regardless, I can choose any of these options. In your case, if you have a separate video card, for example, NVIDIA, most likely the high-performance card will be from NVIDIA and the energy-saving reference will be the onboard card. So you have to choose the first option, for testing purposes to see if the problem is related to the video card. Then tap Save and then close OBS Studio. Run it again and try recording your game screen to see if it solves the problem. One other thing you can also try is to enable preview. I usually don't like it, I usually disable it, but just enable it and maybe that will solve this problem. Then that's it. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.